Hi guys, today I'm going to solve a Leetcode problem. The problem number is 392, each subsequence. So in this we are given two strings s and t, and we need to find if s is a subsequence of t. If so, we need to return true, else we need to return false. So in this, what we need to keep in mind is the relative position of the characters. Basically, this example actually tells you more in detail. Even though the characters ACE is present in this string ACE, we need to make sure that the sequence is right. So if the sequence is wrong, is still is the characters are still there, but the sequence is not right, then it is not a subsequence. Okay. So in this example, ABC is there, the sequence matches, so we return true. In this, X is not there, so we return false. Okay. So let's code this out. So for this, what we need to do is basically we need to read. I will create a integer I, which holds a value 0. So so this is declared basically to hold the index of the string s. Okay, so to hold the index of string s, and then the second step would be to iterate through string t and check if this index of s is equal. And so index of, let's say, s equals to 0 is a. If a is there in t, yes, it is there, then increase this counter I. So basically it is a counter. Okay, so increase this counter, and then we're going to move to the next one. Is b there in t, right? Oh yeah, it is there here. Okay, then move again to the next counter. Is c there? Yes, there. So that is what we plan to do. Okay, so for that we need to just have a for loop, in which what we're gonna do is we're gonna have t dot length, right? And then we're going to increase the counter of j, and in there a simple if condition where we're going to check if s of I is equals to t of j. Okay, so for each item in j, we are checking if s of I is there. If so, increase the counter, okay, of I. So the s moves to the next counter. Okay, and then the last thing we need to make sure is the I should not be greater than s dot length. Okay, so this is another condition that I'm putting, and then simply what we're gonna do is we're gonna return I is equals to s dot length. Why we are doing this is, in this we are already checking the relative position of the position of s if it belongs to t. So what we are doing here is we are increasing index of s while checking if increasing the index of t while checking if any characters in s exists exists in t. Yeah, okay. And then we are also checking its relative position, right? Relative position. Okay, so these are the two things we are doing in this for loop. So let's see this, let's debug this, and we will be more, we know exactly what it is happening at the back, right? So for this I have prepared my watch window. In this, s of I and t of j will give you the characters, and I and j will give you the index. Simple, right? So the next step is, okay, this is 0 based, so 0 and 0 of s and t is a and a. Is it true? Yes. Increase the counter I, right? So when the counter I gets increased, now we are dealing with b here, right? So if b is equals to h, no, it's not. If b is equals to b, yes, that's correct. Get here and increase the counter. Now I am in c, right? So if c is equals to g, because it is here, right? See, no. So c is equals to d, no, and the last character is c is equals to c. Perfect, and we are in the fifth index, so it is the last one. It comes out, and since we already checked the relative position, we're just gonna say Hey, I, do you have three characters in? Yes, it has three, so we can return true. Okay, so let's put this code in action and see if it passes all the test cases, and we're gonna run this. Okay, so let's do a run. Yeah. Okay, test cases accepted, and we're gonna submit it. Okay, great. 66 milliseconds, that's not bad. And this is my solution. Um, and thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment and have a good day.